In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enable the hidden 120Hz mode on your iPhone. Did you know that when you use Safari on your iPhone, the screen refresh rate is actually locked at 60 frames per second? Now to increase it, launch your settings, navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Safari and launch it. Then scroll all the way down and click on the option Advanced. Now click on the option Feature Flags. Here you'll need to find an option called Prefer Page Rendering Updates near 60 FPS. It's a bit tricky to find, but it's in the lower half of the page. Once you locate it, toggle the switch off so that it turns gray. Now I can launch Safari and navigate to any of the website where you can check the refresh rate. You should see the refresh rate jump to 190 or 120 FPS. This means Safari is no longer limiting page rendering to 60 FPS. Apple sets Safari to 60 FPS by default to conserve battery or for other system reasons, but with this tweak, you can experience smoother scrolling and browsing. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.